Hi, I'm Dan Sanup, Project Manager at Hammer-IMS. In this video, I will take you through the Edge-Vision project flow. At the start of the project, 7 meetings are held with the mechanical team and the customer to determine the design of the Edge-Vision system. After these meetings, the system is designed and built to fit a production line. Once the system is shipped out and installed on production line, we go to the next step of the project, the commission phase. During the commissioning phase, Hammer-IMS personnel will visit to set up the software for your use case, calibrate the cameras, set the data communication protocols, and have the first version of the software running. This first version collects images of a normal clean material. The clean images are then used by Hammer-IMS to train an AI system what a regular product looks like. The trained model is used to find anomalies on a product. Anomalies can include scratches, holes, foreign objects. The next step in the project flow is for the operator of the system to classify found defects into the corresponding type or label. When enough images have been labeled, we continue to the next step. Alternatively, the images can be classified afterwards by the customer, so the operator doesn't need to worry about this. Both the images and the properties of the detection can be saved on the customer servers. This allows the customer to generate reports on their own system that can be kept for internal quality control, or logs can be sent to the customer as well. The final thing to do is train another DI with these labeled data. This new model is able to detect and label defects autonomously, so no operator interaction is needed anymore. This model is then deployed to the Edge-Vision system for the operator to test and use. If the customer wants to have new defect types in the future, the model can be retrained with new images to include these new defects. After finishing the project, we offer a 24/7 customer support hotline that customers can call into in case of issues. Our team is able to remotely troubleshoot the system. This allows for a short downtime, eliminate the guesswork, and let Edge-Vision handle your quality control. Visit Hammer-IMS.com to book a demo and to see how our AI can detect your specific defects.